In this video, we'll see the recipe of delicious and healthy mushroom sandwich. Let's get started. We'll first prepare the stuffing, so for that take 1 tablespoon oil in a kadhai or a pan, add 1 big sized sliced onion and saute the onion till it becomes slightly pink in color. Then add 1 teaspoon green chili and garlic paste. You can make the paste separately, as in green chili paste and garlic paste, and add individually. Then add mushrooms. So here I've got 1 cup button mushrooms which I have roughly chopped. Some salt as per taste. Mushrooms shrink while cooking, so make sure you add salt accordingly. Butter mushrooms do not take a lot of time to cook, so it should take around 5 to 7 minutes. After that you can taste, and if it's done, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. Once the mixture completely cools down, then add half cup processed cheese. You may add mozzarella. We are adding cheese to this cold mixture because we want the cheese to melt when we grill the sandwich and not because of the heat of mushroom and later then become dry. Here I've got 4 brown bread slices. You may use white bread. Apply some butter, or you can also apply ghee if you want. With this amount of stuffing you can make around 4 sandwiches. Place the stuffing and then place the other slice of bread on each sandwich. Now this is what I do. So I apply butter on top of the sandwich and then I flip it directly on the tawa or my grill, and then I apply butter on the other side. So this thing makes this entire process less messy, or rather mess free. I'm not using my sandwich maker today. If you have a sandwich maker, you can use that. Keep the flame low, cover it with a lid and let the sandwiches become brown and crispy on both the sides. So once the sandwiches are done on one side, flip them. Keeping the flame low would ensure that your sandwiches turn out crispy, otherwise they would just become brown and would not be crispy. Sandwich has turned out really crispy. It's healthy and tasty because of mushroom, and we have also added some cheese, and that adds to the taste. Well, cheese is also good for health, but yeah, if you use unprocessed cheese, it would be better. You may pipe some mayo, or you can grate some cheese. If you want to see how to make this piping bag, you can check out my plastic hack video on home and much more. These sandwiches are healthy and are tasty. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.